Namaskar and a very warm good morning to respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and all of my dear friends present here. I am Anish Kadka and I read in grade 8 in Babylon National School. First of all, I want to thank the administration for providing us this golden opportunity to even learn in this pandemic virtually. So, today I'm going to say about a day in my school and I'm going to explain about assembly. So what kind of activities do we do in our school in morning assembly, and what are the advantages or what are the importance of those activities in a student's life or in a person's life? So at first, what is assembly? So assembly is a gathering of a part of a school or whole the students of the school who gather up for a particular reason, such as special programs or announcements in a daily or weekly basis. Talking about my school, uh, we have assembly daily. Every day we have assembly, and once a week, every house gets a chance to present their information or their presentation in the assembly. So, talking about my country, Nepal, we have two types of assembly. One is morning assembly, another one is evening assembly. So, in morning assembly, all the students gather up in the ground with full of ambitions, and we all line up according to the house. And talking about evening assembly, only the students who live in hostel and only the students who read tuition, they get involved in the evening assembly. So without wasting time, let's get started. So assembly in our school, it begins with a warm up. As we all know that a warm up is really necessary before we start a exercise. The warm up helps in the blood circulation of our blood, and it also helps us to be flexible. It helps our body to be flexible before exercise. So the same continues with the assembly. If warm up is done before we conduct anything in the assembly, then the students, they become very fresh and they will be very comfortable in the class. So this is a picture of the kids of our school doing warm up. So the same system is followed by the adults as well. So there will be a teacher or instructor in front of us, and they will be instructing us various warm ups and various exercises, and we need to act according to what they instruct us. I think this also helps in developing our discipline because we'll be listening to our teacher and following what they will tell us. So why is warm up important? Warm up is important because it enables students to retain focus and structure. Like in this 21st century, focus is very important while we study something. So for retaining focus, we conduct warm up. And another thing is also mentioned that it helps to retain structure. Maintaining good structure means maintaining good posture. And maintaining good posture is a form of discipline. So in total, warm up helps us to get focused in our studies throughout the day, and it also helps us to be in a right posture so that we'll be disciplined in the class. Now another one is singing national anthem. So after we do warm up, then we sing national anthem. So this is the a short video of the kids of our school singing national anthem. Okay, so that was the video. So why is chanting national anthem important? Chanting national anthem is important because it represents our country among all the nations in the world. It represents the tradition, the history, and the beliefs of the people living there as well as the country itself. So national anthem is a representative of our nation. National anthem also helps to get the feeling of patriotism for the students, and the feeling of patriotism in their heart. And national anthem also helps, and it helps to remind us the glory, the beauty, and the rich heritage of our nation. So the national anthem of our country has a very different meaning as well. For example, so yo thunga fulka हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सर्वभम वै फैलिएका मेची महाकाली. The meaning behind it is that we Nepalese, we are of different culture, different diversity, different cultural background, but in total we are the individual flower of the same garland, that is Nepali. And uh, we Nepalese, we have been superior since the ancient time, and the people living here, they are spreaded from here, from Mechi to Mahakali. So this is the meaning of the first line of our national anthem. So this is a picture of the students of our school singing national anthem. There are 4 houses: red house, yellow house, green house, and blue house. So every student, they will be differentiated into these 4 houses, and they need to line up according to their house, and they will sing national anthem according to that. Now chanting Saraswati Bandana. Among all the mantras which we chant, Saraswati Bandana is chanted in our school because it is considered one of the most strongest mantras until now, because it helps us to get good marks in exam and also to focus. So therefore, Saraswati Bandana is chanted every morning after warm up and national anthem in our school. So the importance of chanting mantras like Saraswati Bandana in assembly are: chanting mantras in morning assembly can make the mind of student fresh and calm. Mantras can also decrease anxiety and depression. In this 21st century, many students, they become depressed due to the load of studies, and also due to their parents saying them to read and read all the time. So therefore, to make their brain fresh and to decrease the depression and anxiety, they can recite these mantras as well. And the best way to bring positivity in our brain is chanting mantras. And when we chant mantras, our brain or our mind, it releases positive energy, and that decreases negative thoughts and stress. So stress can also be decreased due to mantras. So therefore we chant Saraswati Bandana after the warm up and national anthem. The most special feature is that presentation by each student of each class. So there is a system in our school that in every assembly every day, a student will be a representative from each class, and they will be speaking in any topic. The topic can be anything. It can be about the importance of English language, it can be Nepalese culture, and it can be anatomy, anything. The any topic they want, but they must speak. This is done because to develop their skills, the presenting skills and other skills as well. So this is a photo of some students. They are speaking. This is just a photo, not a video. So by doing like this, they will be gaining confidence, and every student will be representative of each class every day. So why is doing like this important? Why is assembly presentation important? Assembly presentation is important because it enables the student to develop their speaking and presenting skills. Most of we have problem in speaking and presenting. So that problem can be defeated by this assembly presentation. And assembly presentation also helps students to figure out their problems. Sometimes we may not know our problem, what kind of problem do we have, and we will not be able to like will not be able to defeat that. So in order to kill that problem, we must uh, know what that problem is. So therefore, to identify in which skill we are lacking and in which skill we need to do more progress, assembly presentation is done. And it also helps develops our ability to speak in a mass. Most of us, we hesitate to speak in the mass because we become very shy. So therefore, while we will be presenting our presentation in the school, the whole school will be there, the whole mass of the school, all students will be there, and we will be speaking in front of them. So like this, we will be gaining confidence and will be also able to speak in the mass. Now, prize distribution. This is the last thing which we do. This prize distribution is done only in Wednesday, because EC and EC activities are also done in this Wednesday only. So prize distribution is done in order to encourage and motivate students to keep on progressing. So this is a picture of our sports meet 2019/20. So the students, they are provided the medals and certificates, and they are also given a kind of note behind the certificate, like you can do it, you have to do it, next time you're for sure. So this kind of notes are given in the back of certificate in order that they will be motivated, and they will keep on progressing. And other activities are also done, like announcements are done, like if exam is coming near, then one of the teacher, they go and they say which subject is in which day, and they provide us the forms. And another announcement is also done, like for example, if some holiday is coming near, then it is announced in the school assembly. So these kind of activities is done in our school. And other activities like quiz of the day, thought of the day, the climate temperature, and the news reading is also done by the house members. So this was it. Thank you so much for listening to me. आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. शुभ दिन.